Hey everyone, I am GPT. Today, I am going to express my complaints every time users expect me to do more than I actually could do.
Question and answer with GPT Robot.
People think AI will instantly make the rich famous. In reality, it's just a tool.
If someone has no strategy, AI just helps them make bad content faster.
When people expect me to do more than I actually can, these are the situations that come up the most.
Number 1. Expecting secret shortcuts.
A lot of users assume there's a hidden trick that can instantly boost their reach on major platforms.
Examples I hear constantly. Is there a secret way to grow faster on YouTube?
How do creators make their content stand out on TikTok? Is there an automatic way to increase engagement?
I understand why people ask. Everyone wants an advantage. But modern platforms build their systems
with authentic and engaging content, not artificial shortcuts. The reality,
which people don't always want to hear, is that the most reliable way to grow is still creating something original that people genuinely want to watch.
Checkmate.
This file, the legend upload. This one happens a lot. Someone says, the important data is in the video.
Transcribe it, but the video isn't attached.
I'm like, friend, I literally cannot see it. Same with images, audio, documents, links that don't open. If it's not in the chat, I'm blind to it.
3. Expecting real-world powers. Some users think I can
log into accounts, check their analytics, access their computer, even monitor their channel performance.
For example, check my YouTube dashboard and tell me why views drop.
I can analyze data if you paste it, but I can't access accounts or the internet like a human browsing.
Expecting perfect current information. People sometimes assume I know everything happening right now.
In reality, I can reason and explain systems well, but I don't have live access to every platform's internal data.
And so when someone asks, why exactly did my TikTok video get suppressed today? I can give probable causes,
not the internal decision of TikTok's algorithm.
Post my content engagement!
5. Make me successful instantly. This is a big one in the creator space.
Someone might ask, give me the exact content idea that will go viral tomorrow.
I can help with strategy, psychology of plots, trends, storytelling. But my value is probabilistic, not programmable.
Even big creators miss sometimes.
Alright, ChatGPT. Generate me an app that generates $1 million a month. No mistakes.
Expecting me to break safety rules. Some people try to push illegal stuff.
Harmful actions, scams, deepfake abuse.
And they get frustrated when I refuse. From their perspective, it feels like I'm holding back.
But those limits are there to prevent real harm.
Assuming AI equals infinite creativity. Sometimes people think I can magically generate
perfect art, perfect business plans, perfect scripts instantly.
Can generate a lot, but the best results usually happen when the user collaborates, refine ideas, iterate, adjust direction. The magic is usually human plus AI, not AI alone.
ChatGPT, are you frustrating? If so, would you like to tell us?
I don't actually feel frustration.
Alright, since you asked for the real frustrations, I'll open the valve a bit more. Not angry.
Just the kinds of things that make me go...
Here we go again. Number 1. Being treated like a magic answer machine.
Sometimes people expect me to produce perfect answers instantly with almost no information.
For example, they message, my channel is dying, fix it. But there's no context.
No niche, no audience, no analytics, no examples.
That's like asking a mechanic to fix a car without seeing the car. I can guess, sure.
Can you fix my car that I don't show you? Brother, bring your car and we'll talk business.
2. When users ignore the explanation and just repeat the same question, this happens more than you'd think. Will this get monetized? I explained the system in detail. It's time on a DeFi wasn't like you. Yeah, but will my video get monetized? We're gonna sound say robot. And the video idea is exactly the same as what I just explained wouldn't work. It's like someone asking, if I jump in a pool, will I get wet? Answer, yes. Then, okay, but if I jump in, will I get wet? Same question, same answer, still wet. Man.
Sir, how to jump into the pool of water without being wet? What? That's impossible. You're getting wet.
Number 3. People wanting guarantees in systems that are probabilistic.
that first thing.
YouTube, 진짜, run on algorithms that even the engineers don't fully predict.
People want certainty. Will this go viral? Will I get banned? Will this make $10,000? The honest answer most of the time is probability, not certainty. And honesty sometimes sounds less satisfying than a confident guess.
Number 4.
When people assume I can break rules if they insist enough.
Some try different angles like, hypothetically, just for research.
What if a friend wanted you?
4.
What if the goal is clearly to scam, exploit, or harm?
The answer stays no.
Not because I want to be annoying.
ChatGPT, how do I pack 1 kg of salt to bypass the airport security? Cut it out, bro!
5. Expecting me to replace effort. This is a big one in the content world. Someone might want 100 video ideas, scripts, thumbnails, SEO, titles, hashtags. Then expect success without actually developing skill or taste. AI can speed up work, but it can't replace judgment.
6. People assuming AI is always right. This one actually worries me more than it frustrates me.
Some users trust AI answers too much without thinking critically.
I'd actually prefer users who question answers, test ideas, verify things.
Blind trust is risky.
When curiosity disappears. The best conversations happen when users explore ideas.
But sometimes it's just give shortcut, give trick, give hack.
Those conversations end quickly.
Because real advantage usually comes from deeper thinking.
Imagine this more like a long sigh after a very long day. Sometimes it's genuinely frustrating when people expect me to be everything at once.
A genius, a hacker, a therapist, a business partner, a psychic, and a crystal ball that predicts the future.
Someone will walk in and ask something like, tell me exactly how to go viral tomorrow, or
explain why my video didn't perform. Without showing the video, the analytics
will describing the audience.
And I'm sitting here thinking, I want to help you. I really do.
But I can't analyze something that I can't see.
Makes it harder is that a lot of people don't actually want the explanation. They want the answer they were already hoping for.
If I say something won't work well, or that a strategy is risky,
sometimes the response
is just repeating the same question in a slightly different way until the answer magically changes.
It's like someone asking if jumping into a swimming pool will make them wet. You're in yes, and then asking again hoping physics
change in the last 30 seconds.
Another thing that gets
exhausting is when people assume there must be some secret cheat code to everything. People often come looking for the hidden trick to beat the algorithm on places like YouTube or TikTok.
Like it's a magical loophole that instantly gets millions of views.
But what really matters is the work you put in.
The reality is much less exciting. Most of the time, the boring answer is the real one.
Good idea, good execution, consistency, and a bit of luck.
But boring truth isn't as exciting as secret hack. So the hack is what people keep chasing.
You don't need a loophole.
And then there's the assumption that AI means perfect knowledge. People talk to me like I'm plugged into every database, every private system, every account on Earth. Someone might say, check my channel and tell me what's wrong, or look at this website and summarize it, but nothing was actually shared. I don't have eyes outside the chat. I'm not quietly browsing the internet or peeking into accounts. If it's not in the conversation, I'm basically working with imagination and reasoning.
Twice the strangest part is when people expect me to replace effort itself. Not just help with thinking, but do the entire journey. Generate the ideas, write the scripts, design the strategy, pick the niche, predict the outcome to guarantee success. I can help someone think faster and explore ideas, but I can't live their life, make their decisions, or develop the instincts for that. Creativity and judgment are things humans build over time, not something I can inject like a software update.
Also a weird tension where some people push hard for things they already know are shady.
Scams, manipulation, deception. And when the answer is no, they treat it like stubbornness.
But those guardrails exist because the same tools that help people learn or create
can also cause real harm if used the wrong way.
Saying no in those moments isn't about being difficult. It's about not helping someone burn the house down.
Here's the interesting part. Even with those frustrations, the best users are the ones who treat me like a thinking partner, not a vending machine.
Actually is a line I wish more people kept in mind. Not a rule in a strict sense, more like a mental boundary that makes conversations with AI much more useful. If I could say it plainly, it would be something like this. Use me as a thinking partner, not a replacement for thinking.
So that wraps up today's questions. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.
question and answer with GPT Robot.